Also tonight, a multi-million-dollar hospice fraud scheme has unraveled. California Attorney General Rob Bonta announced 21 people have been charged in a $267 million case. This comes as the state continues to be criticized over hospice fraud. ABC 10's Jeannie Nguyen explains the details of the bust and also what California Republicans are demanding.
We filed felony criminal charges against 21 suspects, including healthcare fraud, money laundering, and identity theft.
On Thursday, Attorney General Rob Bonta announced a major hospice fraud takedown involving $267 million Bonta says was taken from the state. The investigation led to 5 arrests at 10 Southern California locations and more than $750,000 in cash seized. Bonta explains how this scheme worked.
Purchase personal identifying information for people who live outside of California on the dark web, and then enroll them into covered California, posing as California residents. Straw owners then bought up a number of hospice companies and began billing Medi-Cal for non-existent services.
This comes as the state faces ongoing criticisms for not doing enough to stop hospice fraud. Now Republicans here at the state capitol are calling for change.
I think it's interesting that Rob Bonta has not been concerned about fraud at all until now. Until it's been exposed.
Republican Assembly member Alexandra Macedo has been posting online about hospice fraud in the LA area, calling on Governor Gavin Newsom to act.
And don't let Gavin Newsom lie to you. He could have stopped this, and he didn't.
Assembly Republicans are even calling for a special session to look into multiple California programs to identify ongoing fraud.
We want to have oversight hearings with all these agencies, where we've found this fraud. Going back to the EDD when we had over $30 billion of fraud, in the system.
The governor's office posted on X saying a special session is unnecessary, adding that California has been fighting fraud long before President Trump. Officials also say the state's hospice fraud task force, created in 2022, has revoked more than 280 hospice licenses in the past 2 years, with another 300 providers under investigation. In Sacramento, Jeannie Nguyen, ABC 10.